Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is from International News Report. Hi, my name is Mayball. Welcome to our new International Race Event Tournament 2021. We are glad to announce our new race event. Thanks to all our Diecast friends joining our first race international event tournament. Let's cheer up these all Diecast racers team coming from USA, New Zealand, Australia, Canada, Philippines, Egypt, Indonesia, India. Spectators, don't forget to subscribe our great race channel. Give some love to these Zelda Diecast race channel. Thank you so much. Let's start the race show, shall we? Let's give applause to these all racers. All team racers, are you ready? Spectators, are you ready? Let's start the race show. Team racers, number 5 Guingoyo vs number 28 PO Boy Racing, number 6 HFA Motor Club vs number 27 Roars Diecast, number 7 Toon Trax Racing vs number 26 Mini Mafia Motors, number 8 Team Miniature Racing vs number 25 Spirit of 64, number 9 Rix Diecast Racing vs number 24 Turbo HW Racing, number 10 Extreme vs number 23 Tyler Diecast, number 11 Calgary Daily Diecast vs number 22 Scale Racing Channel, number 12 The Diamond Races vs number 21 The Cookie Deers, number 13 Turbo HW Racing Jr. vs number 20 Honest John Toys, number 14 Vern and Norm Diecast Racing vs number 19 JJ Brothers, number 15 Dysfunction Junction Racing vs number 18 ENZED Racing, number 16 Tampa Hot Wheels Diecast vs number 17 Mad Max Racing. Good luck, team racers.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce our new 2021 International Race Event Tournament. We come back to our new race event. Here's our track for the race. Okay, now let's meet our second round team racer challenge. Team number 5, Guingoyo from United States, drive fence nether, which is the left side, versus number 28, Pure Boy Racing from United States, drive DTY12, which is the right side. Okay, let's start the race. Inside lane from Guingoyo, outside lane Pure Boy Racing. Are you ready? Round 1. See who's gonna win for the first round. Get set, go! Oh, it's gonna win it! Oh, finally Guingoyo win for the first round. Okay, now we are switching lanes for the second round. Inside lane, Pure Boy Racing. Outside lane, Guingoyo. Are you ready? Round 2. see who's gonna win for the second round. Get set, go! Oh, it looks like Pure Boy Racing win for the second round. Okay, now it's for round 3. Inside lane, Guingoyo. Outside lane, Pure Boy Racing. See who's gonna win for the final round. Hopefully this will be the final round. Are you ready? Round 3. Get set, go! Oh, this is great race, man. Finally, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, finally, Guingoyo win! With this, Pure Boy Racing is out of track. Okay, now let's meet our team number 6. From the left side, team number 6, SFA Motor Club from the States, drive Jaguar XJ220 versus from the right side, team number 27, Diecast, Australia, drive high-tech missile. Let's start the race. Inside lane, SFA Motor Club. Outside lane from Diecast. Let's see who's gonna win in the first round. Are you ready? Round 1. Get set, go! He's gonna win it. Oh, SFA Motor Club is so fast, he's winning for the first round. Okay, now we are switching lanes. Inside lanes, Diecast. Outside lanes, SFA Motor Club. Let's see who's gonna win for the second round. Are you ready? Round 2. Get set, go! Wow, so close. Finally, SFA Motor Club win for the second round. Okay, now let's meet our team number 7 from the left side, Trax Racing from the States, drive Skydome versus right side, team number 26, Mini Mafia Moros, from USA, drive Hollowback. I'm sorry. Let's start the race. Inside lane from Team Trax Racing. Outside lane, Mini Mafia Moros. Let's see who's gonna win in the first round. Are you ready? Round 1. Get set, go! Oh, it's so close. Who's gonna win it this time? We're so close, man. Gonna win it, come on. Oh, finally, Team Trax Racing win. Okay, now we are switching lane. Inside lane, Mini Mafia Moros. Outside lane, Team Trax Racing. Are you ready? Round 2. Let's see who's gonna win it for the second round. Get set, go! Oh, it looks like Mini Mafia Moros win. Okay, inside lane, Team Trax Racing. Outside lane for Mini Mafia Moros. This will be the final round, will be the third round. Let's see who's gonna win it in the third round. Are you ready? Round 3. Get set, go! Wow, so close, man. He's gonna win it. He's gonna win it. Oh! Both team are DNF, was almost close to the finish line. But it stopped after passing the crisscross line. Let's start the race again. Okay, this is the round 4. Hopefully, it will be the final round. Inside lane, Team Trax Racing. Outside lane, Mini Mafia Moros. Let's see who's gonna win it in the fourth round, which is final round. Hopefully it will be. Are you ready? Round 4. Get set, go! Oh, come on, so close, who's gonna win it? Come on! Oh, finally, Team Diecastracing win. Okay, now let's meet our team number 8 from the left side, which is Team Miniature Racing, Bowler Brown from the United States, drive Monte Racer, versus the right side, number 25, Spirits of 64 from the United States, drive Nerf Hammer. Let's start the race. Okay, inside lane from Team Miniature Racing, outside lane from Spirit of 64. First round, are you ready? Round 1. Let's see who's gonna win it in the first round. Get set, go! Wow! Team Diecastracing win! Okay, inside lane from Spirit of 64, outside lane from Team Miniature Racing. This will be the second round. Are you ready? Round 2. Get set, go! Wow, so close. Who's gonna win it? Who's gonna win it? Come on, who's gonna win it? Oh, finally, Team Diecastracing win. And what happened to this? Our friend, 64, it just flipped around in a crisscross line. Okay, guys, this is the result for 4 teams who win in the second round in our international race event for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for all our Diecast friends who have joined us and have been supporting our race channel. I see you guys next round. You guys are really great friends. Okay, now let's see for our upcoming next round event, which is it will be number 9, Diecastracing versus Turbo Hot Wheels Racing. Number 9 versus number 24. Next thing it will be number 10, X-Team Diecast versus number 23, Tyler Diecast. Next thing it will be number 11, Hot Wheels Calgary Daily Diecast versus Scale Racing Channel number 22. Next thing, which is the last thing for our third round in our international race event, it will be number 12, the Diamond Racers versus number 21, the Cooketeers. Let's see who's gonna win it for the third round. Okay, see you guys next round. Congratulations for today, winner for the second round. Thanks guys, I see you next round.